Hey guys, welcome back. Let me do this to our new video, and we have Thor Ragnarok mystery minis, GameStop exclusives, and we scored a deal on these, so pretty excited about that. These were at GameStop and they were on clearance, and I didn't think they were going to be this cheap, but they rang up for, look at that, $1.49. Boom! So that's pretty exciting. We're able to get 8 of them. And I don't know that I've opened any of these yet. So that was exciting as well. And GameStop does have 3 exclusives. There we go. Alright. So we're excited to open these. I actually just watched this the other day. So it's going to be fun opening these right off of watching the movie. So let's get started and see who we get. This wasn't a series that I was really after to collect. It just so happened that they were on a really good sale, so that's why I actually picked them up. So I guess I really don't have a real preference on who I get. I guess I would really like the Hulk. I can't remember anybody's name. This one. Loki, Thor. The exclusives will be awesome. This little guy here. So, but we'll see. I'll be good with, you know, whatever I get, I guess. Let's check it out and see. Here's our first one. Who do we get? Oh, I always forget. These are always bobbleheads. Oh! Here we go. Here's our first one. I'm horrible at remembering names, even of movies I've watched. And even the movies that I've just watched, like this past week. This past weekend, I think I watched it. Anyway, there we go for the first one. Oh yeah, this is the guy that was the bad guy, and at the end was the good guy, and those the machine guns to help shoot everybody off the ship, or keep the bad guys off the ship. Blah blah blah. Anyway, okay. Yeah, I remember that guy. All right, here's our number 2. What do we think we're gonna get? Name the characters in the comments below, guys. Help me out, because I always forget. What did we get? Oh, we got Loki. Where's his hands? Are they behind his back? Yeah. Bobblehead. So he is an exclusive for GameStop, and he is a 1 of 6. Very cool. So we got 1 GameStop exclusive so far on our second box. Sweet. All right. Box number 3. On the baby. Alright. Actually, the only one I really want is Hulk. And watch, that'll be the one I don't get. Alright, here we go. Oh, we got this guy. Can't remember his name. Alright, there we go. I'm horrible at this. Okay. Next one. What do we get? Thor! There we go. We got 2 of the GameStop exclusives now. We got Thor. Alright, sweet. So Thor is 1 in 6. Loki is 1 in 6. Where's this guy at? This guy is a 1 in 24, and this guy is a 1 in 12. Okay. Here we go. Here's our next one. Ooh! So we got, let's put them all together. We got all 3 GameStop exclusives. Check that out. Sweet! Alright, there we go. That was the last. So those are all, these 3 are all the GameStop exclusives. Go figure. Snagged them all in the clearance bin. Can't get any better than that. And of course I get all 3 exclusives on a series that I'm not even trying to. Alright, who's next? Alright, here's another one. Ooh, we got another exclusive. That's nuts. Alright, what was this guy? This guy was a 1 in 24. Alright, next one. See who we get. Who do we think? Who do we think? Alright. Oh! I didn't even see this guy on there. His head turn? Is that supposed to... Alright, let's see. Alright. Oh, he's a 1 in 36, and it goes like this. But I think his head's turned the wrong way. Shouldn't it be like that? Yeah. There we go. There we go. 1 in 36, and here's our last box. Who are we going to get? And this one's wrapped up differently. Plastic is actually on here pretty good. Alright, come on. Plastic. See if we can get this off. The other ones are real easy. This one wants to be difficult. Right. So this is a quickie video. Just doing some mystery minis. GameStop. Alright, the last box. So, one duplicate so far, and it's actually an exclusive. Oh! We got the father. No Hulk. That's the one we wanted. Go figure. But we did pretty good for $1.49 a piece, getting every exclusive that was in there by GameStop, and an extra one actually. So there we go. That was our GameStop clearance score today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to do a quickie video and get these open to see who I got. Alright. Help me out, guys. Like I said, I just watched the movie and I can't remember anybody's name. Anyway. Alright. I am going to line these up here. And there we go. Cool. Alright, let me know what you think. You guys collecting these series? Have you found them on sale too at your GameStop? Hope you do. If not, go check. Maybe you'll see them there. I'm going to pop in tomorrow because they had some of the Nick ones in there, the Nickelodeon ones, and the Disney ones, I think, on clearance as well. And I'm going to have to stop and see what those ring, because if they're all ringing $1.49, I'm going to be buying them all. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. I know this is a quickie, but I just want to get these unboxed and see who I got. Let me know what you think. Who's your favorite? Let me know the names of the ones that I couldn't remember, which is basically all of them except Thor and Loki. So anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have an amazing evening. I'll be back again soon with a new video. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and sign up for those alerts. Alright, thanks for checking it out. You guys have a good one.